This is Gadget Stop 321. In today's video, I'm going to do a writing sample from 3 pens that I'm having a lot of fun with recently. I've got my all-black Perkeo that I got just recently. It's got a medium nib, and I don't own very many medium nibs. In fact, I think this is only the 3rd pen that I have that has a medium nib on it, and I've been really impressed with it. I enjoy the way it writes. Very recently, just within the last couple days, I picked up a Jinhao X750 so that I would have a pen that I could use my Nemosine 1.0 Stub, and I'm enjoying that quite a lot. And finally, out of these 3 pens, this is the one I've had the longest. This was my first stub nib pen, the Pilot Prera with a 1.0 stub nib. Sometimes it's also classified as a calligraphy medium, and I've really enjoyed it. It's fun to try out different inks with. And I'm also using one of my favorite inks, Diamine Oxford Blue. So I'm just going to do a little short writing sample in my ink journal. And I don't know, I'm having second thoughts about using an ARC journal or a little ARC notebook as my ink journal. I like the size of it. I love that one of the reasons I chose this is that you can peel the pages out and compare different inks and rearrange how you have your inks categorized. It's nice thick paper. The ink doesn't bleed through, but it's a little more absorbent than I would like. So I'm thinking about changing up my ink journal, but I can discuss that another time. Let me see. I'm going to start with I'll start with the Prera, the medium nib Prera. I like this pen. It posts nicely. Let's see. This is just a really smooth nib. It, for me, coming from fine and extra fine nibs, it puts down a lot of ink without being excessive, and I just really like writing with that. Next, I'm going to do the Jinhao 0.6 stub. Jinhao with Nemosine 0.6. And I like this. It's a nice, I finally got the nib in here that puts out the right amount of ink. It's not excessive. It still puts down a lot of ink, but it's nice and uniform, and I've been using this pen all day today, and I really enjoy it. And finally, the 1.0 Stub. This is the driest writer out of all of them, but it writes very consistent. It looks good. If the ink is going to shade, it will really show up on this. Now my lighting is not the greatest, and with this dark ink, it's difficult to see. Yeah, they all look the same through the viewfinder, but I wish maybe the natural light over here will show it a little more. But the Pilot Prera writes a little, it's a little less, it puts down less ink basically. That wider nib puts down probably about the same amount of ink, just spreads it out over a larger surface area. But if an ink is going to shade, it will really do it in that Pilot Prera. I like this. Now, one of the issues I have with this arc paper, using it as an ink journal, when I originally put the 0.6 stub in the Jinhao, the first nib that I tried was super wet and it just put down way too much ink. But when I wrote on my Nemosine paper, it really, for the first time, I saw some red sheen coming out of this Oxford blue. But no matter how much ink you put down on this arc paper, you just don't see the sheen. And this dark blue, I wish you could see the variations in the ink. It shows up a little better, and I've showed this a million times already. Hello, I'm filming. Okay. I'm still filming. Okay. Okay. All right. But you can really see the variation in the ink with this Colorverse Golden Record. But I'm wearing that ink out. But for someone who has been using fine and extra fine nibs for so long, and I still enjoy them. Those are very practical size nibs to use. As far as fun, having some fun with different types of ink, these wider nibs have just opened up a whole nother aspect of the fountain pen hobby that I'm really enjoying now. And, well, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.